In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a color in Scribus. Now, by default, you only have a few colors available. So, for example, I have this word over here which just says hey. So if I highlight over it like this, then I go to File or Edit top left, and from here I click on Edit Text with Story Editor. And as you can see here, I can of course change the color. However, there's only like a few colors. Now, by default, usually there's gonna be like 3 or 4. So as you can see, there's no way to add a different color in here. However, you can still do it the way I'm going to show you right now, and you can then use that for coloring anything inside Scribus. So what you have to do is go to Edit over here, top left, and then you want to go to the bottom where it says Colors and Fills. So you want to click on here, Colors and Fills, and then from here you want to click on either Solid Colors, Gradients, or Patterns. I'm going to go for Solid Colors right now, and as you can see, I've added this light blue one already, but I can click on Solid Colors and then click on Add. Now whenever you do this, you have to give it a name, so I'm just going to name this one yellow, for example, and then you can select your color model as well, and you can of course here pick your color. I'm gonna go with this bright yellow over here, and everything looks good. I can just click on OK, or of course I can go and change things down here as well, so I can change kind of the shade of the color, etc. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'm gonna click on OK over here, and as you can see, I have a new color which is yellow. Now if I now click on OK over here, and if I go back to my word, and if I try to go inside the editor again, you'll see that a new color is going to pop up, which is the one I added, and it's the color yellow. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.